Imagine waking up tomorrow and looking up at the night sky. The moon is closer, much closer. Its serene glow now seems menacing. Scientists confirm what no one could imagine. The moon is on a collision course with Earth, and there's nothing we can do. In less than 24 hours, humanity faces its greatest catastrophe. This is not science fiction. This is reality. In a world where the moon crashes into Earth, the moon, our loyal companion for over 4.5 billion years, it governs tides, stabilizes our planet's axis, and influences the delicate balance of life. Its average distance from Earth, 384,400 kilometers. But tomorrow, it won't be far. It will be on a direct path to impact our planet. Let's examine what this would mean second by second, moment by moment.
The moon may look small in the sky, but it's massive. Roughly 7.35 x 1022 kilograms. Its diameter spans 3,474 kilometers.
Roughly a quarter of Earth's size. Its gravity, though weaker than Earth's, is enough to shape oceans, control tides, and subtly stabilize our planet's rotation. Now imagine all of that mass accelerating toward Earth. Its energy would be beyond imagination, a moving mountain of rock with the force of billions of nuclear bombs. For billions of years, the moon has been a silent partner in Earth's story. It slowed our planet's rotation. It influenced the evolution of tides that shaped life. Humans have walked beneath its glow, studied its craters, and even set foot upon its surface. Yet, despite its beauty and importance, it is ultimately a celestial body governed by the unyielding laws of physics. And physics does not negotiate. Even before contact, the moon's trajectory would wreak havoc. Its gravity would pull oceans toward it, creating tidal waves hundreds of meters high. Earthquakes would ripple through tectonic plates, triggered by sudden strain. Volcanoes would awaken, spewing ash and molten rock. As the moon descends further, winds would reach hurricane-force velocities. Air pressure fluctuations would snap weather systems into chaos. The sky would darken, filled with swirling clouds and debris torn from the Earth's surface. The moment of contact would be instantaneous. The moon's colossal mass colliding with Earth would unleash energy far beyond anything humans have ever faced. Cities would be obliterated, mountains flattened, oceans vaporized. Shockwaves would circle the globe. Even miles away from the impact, survival would be nearly impossible. Trillions of tons of molten rock would orbit the Earth before raining down as meteors. Fires would ignite worldwide. The sky would darken for months. Earth's rotation could be altered, changing climate zones and lengthening days. Over years and decades, Earth might stabilize, but it would be a changed world. Oceans reshaped, continents fractured, ecosystems destroyed. Life itself would struggle to survive, facing conditions reminiscent of the planet's earliest, most hostile eras. Scientists have studied massive impacts throughout history. The asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs released energy equal to billions of Hiroshima bombs, but it was only 10 kilometers across. The moon is 347 times larger. There's no precedent in human experience for a collision of this magnitude. Even the largest nuclear arsenal cannot compare to the raw, unstoppable power of the moon falling from the sky. This scenario forces us to confront the fragility of our world. Every night, the moon seems serene, constant, eternal. Yet, beneath that calm lies the raw, indifferent power of nature. Earth is not invincible. Its stability relies on celestial mechanics that, if altered, could render life as we know it impossible. The moon has shaped life for billions of years, and in a single day, it could destroy it all. Tomorrow, if the moon fell, there would be no survivors to tell the story. But imagining this catastrophe reminds us of how delicate our cosmic balance truly is. And so we ask, what if the moon wasn't the only celestial body capable of rewriting history? What if something even larger, something beyond our imagination, was on a collision course with Earth? The universe is vast, and it holds more surprises than we dare to dream.